Alright, this is the Jungle Scare Zone. Let's check it out. Someone said this one is really, really good. Already looks better than the 69 vampire one. Definitely looks more foggy.
Here is where my search for power and immortality.
I actually cannot.
This is picking up on him.
My search for Here is where my search for power and immortality begins. Just a nurturing beast for the first step towards becoming the most powerful being in this universe.
I swear they can sense the big one.